Hey, welcome back to my channel. First, I'm going to start off with, I had already primed my eyes. I ended up using this NYX on it first, which is in color, I think it's in like number 3. Put that on my eyes. Now I'm just going to go ahead and set my eyelids. I already have translucent powder on this brush here. So I'm going to put that on my eyelids all the way across. And from there, Bad Habit Aphrodite palette here. And I will be using the shade Admire as a translucent shade for this look today. And I'm just basically going to put this in my crease area, majority of my lid. Just going back and forth here. And this brush is a Wet n Wild brush as well. Now, once I have that in, I will go in with this another brush, and I'm going to concentrate. I'm going to use this brush right here, and I will be using this. I'm going in with this darker shade right here, and it's called Seduction. And I'm just going to be darkening up just below that crease area. Okay, and I will be I'm using this shader brush right here, and I'm going to use, go into this Heartbreak, and it's this black shade here. And I'm just going to tap it and put this on my outer V area, kind of concentrating it right here, like that, blending that in. Once I have blended that in, I will be going in with this more of a dense brush right here. And this is from like Amazon brush. I'm not for sure, but I'm just going to kind of blend that out into my crease area just a little bit. Just trying to smudge it out a little bit and making it a little bit softer. Once I've done that, I'm going back in with this Wet n Wild brush that I had before and kind of blending that all together and soften that up a little bit. I will be going in with this Stila, I think it's pronounced Stila, glitter eyeshadow, and this is called Rose Gold Retro. I really like this shade right here. I mean, I think it's for any occasion. It looks very, very nice. And I will be putting this on. I was thinking about using a different brush, but first I'm going to see how this works out by using this one right here, and I will be going over my eyelid with this one. And I'm not going all the way to the end of my lid. I'm just going to go halfway. I'm trying to look down, so. All Day, the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. I use that in black, intense black. I really like this eyeliner. And basically I'm just cleaning up the glitter. It gets everywhere. And I mean everywhere too. So trying to clean that off my face as much as I can. I will be using the Clinique moisturizer for my face. This is the Dramatic Different moisturizing lotion. I have liked this a lot. I bought it in the winter time. It was still cold, but I just bought this not long ago, and so far it keeps my face pretty moisturized. I really like it. And now I'm going to go ahead and use this Stay Matte Rimmel mattifying makeup primer. And I'm going to be putting this in the areas where I have large pores at. Especially on my forehead. Put it in this area here. And this does pretty good. It's affordable. I think it may be about $7. I could pick this up at Walgreens. And so it works pretty good. And the lashes, that if I didn't tell you, my lashes are the Ardell lashes. Pick these up at Ulta. Put in some. And the powder, I will be adding some of this Laura Mercier powder on my face prior to adding my foundation. I would normally use the Airspun, but I have this with me right now. And it looks red. To me, it looks red in the viewfinder here, but it's really not red. Too red on me. So go ahead, and I will be using Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. This is in the color 340 Cappuccino. I think this number has changed. I don't think they even have the 340. When I looked at Walgreens, they had different numbers and their names were a little bit different. So I'm not for sure if they have this, because normally I wear 330, but I just kind of wanted to try, you know, go back to my 340. It's a little bit darker as well, and it's matte, so I like it. And I'm just gonna be patting this on. Lately I've been liking to putting this on with foundation on with my sponge here lately for some reason, but I've been using both. So seems like it's red, but it's really not. I swear it matches me. Okay, from here I will be adding my the black Radiance. This right here, and I'm pretty sure you all know what color. Do the dark one right here. And that on my cheeks right here. Add that before I do anything else. And now I will be using this Maybelline the Fit Me concealer, and this is in, I think, Cafe. Yeah, Cafe. Just putting that right here. Blend this out with my Real Technique sponge. Get me a mirror so I can look a little bit closer on what I'm doing here. Brighten that out a little bit. under eyes. Actually, I'm going to be using my Tarte Amazonian Clay setting powder here. Use this other end. I'm going to set it lightly. It's just really in here to set this. I'm just going to go ahead and dust this off a little bit. Okay, and from there, since I'm gonna add a little blush, and it's from the Makeup Geek Desire. Put that right up here. Using this NYX Mineral Powder setting, but I'm gonna use this to kind of carve out the Go ahead and brush this off a little bit. From here, I'm going to go ahead and use my highlighter. This is from the Wet n Wild. This is the Precious Petals. And put that down my nose a little bit here. Definitely going to go right here. Right on up in here. In this area. Before I forget, I'm going to use put some mascara on my bottom lids, and this is the this mascara, the MAC mascara. I like it. Works really good. Spray my face here. Now we'll be using Colouredraine. This color is in Soul. Then I'm gonna top it off with this LA Girl High Shine Shea Butter Lip Gloss, and this is in color Bohemian. Brighten this up a little bit, give it a little shine.